Good morning, beautiful people. It's a beautiful morning whereby I start my day by taking a very warm cup of lemongrass tea to make my day as beautiful as possible. After I take my cup of tea, I happened to walk outside and I found this beautiful dramatic flower which has gotten the showers from the rain. It's very blossoming and I was very excited looking at it, and it was such a beautiful way to start my morning. Everything has been showered with the rains. My passion fruits are very productive this time around. You can see the flower of the passion fruit. Nature really gifts you after you take care of it. My green capsicum flowering already. There's some invaders who are sucking some nectar from these leaves. Rains are a gift from God, and everybody loves rains because it brings forth life. It brings forth productivity of our lands. Thank God for the rains. Everything looks so beautiful.